When you see the Tesla logo, you probably see a car. But the financial markets tell a completely different story. Tesla's valuation often soars past that of every major traditional automaker combined. If it's just a car company, the math simply doesn't add up. The truth is, the car is merely the hardware shell for a much, much larger mission. Tesla isn't an automotive company building an energy division. It is an integrated ecosystem built on three core converging pillars: energy, AI, and robotics. The core problem with solar and wind power is intermittency. The sun doesn't always shine, and the wind doesn't always blow. To make renewables reliable, you need a buffer. Tesla's solution is simple yet massive: terawatt-scale battery production. This is the energy segment, and it's no side hustle. At the residential level, the Powerwall turns solar from an eco-hobby into an indispensable utility. It allows homes to store excess power, cleverly manage time of use, electricity rates, and maintain resilience during a blackout. The integrated inverter in the latest Powerwall. 3. Even simplified solar installation and boosted Tesla's inverter market share by over 1,000%. But the real game changer is the utility-scale Megapack. These are multi-megawatt storage units, essentially giant batteries for the grid. They're already displacing expensive and dirty fossil fuel peaker plants, balancing national grids, and accelerating the global transition to renewables. Analysts note Tesla's dominance here, securing a huge share of the global battery energy storage system market. The vehicle battery and the storage battery are really two sides of the same coin. Terawatt-hour production capability. You could say the car business is the necessary vehicle, pun intended, to scale battery manufacturing, which is the real profit driver for the global energy transition. And the numbers back this up. The energy generation and storage segment sees massive year-over-year growth, often exceeding 40%. If the car is the hardware shell, then full self-driving, or FSD, is the central intelligence. Tesla's real business isn't selling metal boxes. It's selling AI-powered transportation. And their approach is radically different from the competition. While competitors like Waymo use costly LiDAR, radar, and highly detailed pre-mapped routes, Tesla is aiming for a vision-only, general-purpose AI. It's designed to work like a human, using only cameras to see and navigate. They use millions of their vehicles already on the road as the ultimate data collectors, creating an unparalleled training set for their AI. This requires immense computing power, which is why Tesla developed its own custom Dojo supercomputer and specialized FSD silicon chips for the cars. The entire financial bet on Tesla really hinges on the software. If FSD achieves regulatory approval for true driverless autonomy, the cars transform from depreciating assets into appreciating revenue-generating robotaxis. This pivot from a manufacturing margin to a software and service margin is what fuels the extreme valuation, and the revenue could even come from licensing FSD to other automakers. That's the endgame. The third pillar, robotics, is the ultimate validation of the entire AI effort. Why build a humanoid robot? The logic is powerful. If you can build a general-purpose AI, brain that can drive a 2-ton vehicle safely through unpredictable human environments, you can transfer that same brain into a general-purpose body. The Optimus robot, or Tesla bot, is explicitly designed to leverage the same neural network that powers FSD. The robot's vision, its planning, and its control systems are direct extensions of the car's brain. This is the concept of physical AI intelligence operating autonomously in the real physical world. Tesla's plan is aggressive. They aim to first deploy a legion of Optimus robots on their own factory floors, solving labor shortages and optimizing production. If they can achieve scale and make the robot affordable, it could disrupt every sector, from logistics and manufacturing all the way to personal labor. This would validate the claim that Tesla is, first and foremost, a leading AI and robotics company. So, Tesla's enduring ambition is not just to make great cars. It is to solve fundamental constraints on human progress, namely energy and labor. The EV is the data collector. The Powerwall and Megapack are the critical infrastructure. The FSD software is the general intelligence. And Optimus is the universal worker. When you analyze the company through this lens as a vertically integrated industrial giant building the future of energy, autonomy, and labor, the valuation begins to make sense. It's a high-stakes trillion-dollar bet on the convergence of these three powerful technologies. The car is only the beginning. Which pillar energy, AI, or robotics do you believe will generate the most revenue for Tesla in the next 5 years? Let us know your thoughts below. If you want to see a deep dive on the Dojo supercomputer, click here. Don't forget to like and subscribe.